Good morning, viewers. I am Orko and I welcome you all to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. Today we will experience ceramic coating on KTM Duke 390. Let's go inside. Before proceeding further, let me introduce you the coating agents. The agents which are used for nano ceramic coating on your bike. So on top left it is 9H, and this 9H layer is applied on the paint surface of your bike, and these light agents are applied on top of 9H, and this plastic agent is applied on all the plastic parts of your bike, and beside is the rain agent, and this rain agent is applied on your mirrors and indicators, and the last, the name suggests, wheel and caliper. So this agent is used on your wheel and calipers. Here is the name of the company, Ceramic Pro. I am quite sure that you have understood all the agents and their work and functionalities and the place of application.